After roaming around Kadapa and Bangalore for 2 days, I had to return to Bangalore. And this time, I decided to take the Agumbe route. Reason being one, I hadn't been through the Agumbe Ghat till then. And second one, I had plans of exploring Chaturmukha Basadi near Karkala and Varanga near Hebri, which is en route Agumbe. Also, I was really excited to ride via Balehonur Ghat again. I was wandering around Karkala and decided to check out Anekere Lake Temple the previous day, as I heard it was quite a peaceful place. It's in between a lake, more like Varanga, but there is a bridge that was built recently that connects it to the mainland. Also, since I was there at around 5:30 in the evening, the temple was closed. I just sat there taking the cool breeze and left. Nice, man. This looks beautiful. This is Chaturmukha Basadi. I got to know about this yesterday. It's awesome, man. Very peaceful. Maybe it's a big day, that's the reason. Chaturmukha Basadi is a Jain temple situated in Karkala. It has 4 symmetrical faces and doors on all 4 sides. When I talked to the priest, he told that each door of the temple is opened and deity on that side will be worshipped on the specific time of the day. East during sunrise, north in the afternoon, west during sunset and south during the night. But he mentioned that now only east side is opened as it's tough to maintain. What you see there is Kudramukha. And there it's Gomateshwara. Let's continue towards Varanga now. It's near Hebri. ಇದು ವಾರಂಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಮುಂದೆ ರೈಟ್ ಉಂಟಾ ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ Varanga Jaina Basadi is situated in between a lake. The only way to enter the temple is via a boat. The temple priest itself rows the boat from the mainland to the temple and back. So if you miss the boat, then you might have to wait half an hour for the next round.
need to throw plastic covers. You can keep it inside your bag.
Oh, man, due to a photo shoot that was happening here, it took me around 1.5 2 hours to see this. At least 1.5 hour. Oh man, and it's very hot now. I have to start riding, and at least I think Agumbe can cool me down. Let me see. Agumbe Ghat starts from Someshwara temple and ends at Agumbe. The whole ghat is just 10 kilometers and has 14 hairpin bends, but the climb is of 600 meters. The ghat is really narrow and hairpin bends are really steep. Finished Agumbe. Now next would be from here towards Hariharapura, from there to Balehonnuru, from there to Hassan Road. So this is the road. I think I have around 7 hours to ride now. Oof, it would be a pretty long one. Anyways, I will continue from here. See you in some time, guys. Bye. Martin. From here onwards, the Balehonnuru Ghat starts. There is one amazing ghat, So I think this is the same place where Ashish dropped his mobile and Ajay ran over it. Okay, I had to stop here near Stop to Baylor. So had some chips and buttermilk and some water. Just freshened up. Oh, after refill, huh? Okay, I'll see you in some time. Huh? This Pulse chocolate is awesome. Having that now. And climax is awesome. I reached Nelamangala in 2.5 hours from Hassan, but it took me 2 hours to reach home from there. Well, that's Bangalore traffic for you. Well, all in all, it was another peaceful solo ride. So, hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Do give a thumbs up to the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.